Guys, I got something to tell you. It turns out that you two are friends with a superhuman. This new talent I've discovered is not something I can explain. You two have to come with me so I can demonstrate. Now, change your clothes up and let's go. So I brought you guys here today to the park so you can finally witness the true potential of all my power.
This better not be about your dick again.
Yeah, I remember the last time you pulled something like this. It's the perfect spot. You guys just sit here and get ready to watch the fireworks.
Yeah, it's about his dick again. I think I ran out of his pills recently.
Unlimited power! Bended by will-feathered beasts! Yes! Yes! Did you guys see that? Did you see my gift?
It was just the birds flying away.
I get it now. You two are just jealous of my talent. I don't need y'all. Superhero teams are dumb anyways.
Really, bro?
Stop it! No! Stop! Go! Stop it! No! Stop! No! Stop!
Who that?
I'm Man-Bird, and it seems that you two are in the wrong alley at the wrong time.
Who's this clown?
Speak this guy's ass. It seems you underestimate my power. Birds, come to me! Guys, this is just a big misunderstanding, all right, guys, right? Right?